Good morning, everyone. It's pleasure to see you all this morning. I am good and I hope you all fine. Max, Class 4. Today I have an interesting topic to discuss with. Can you guess what it is? Yes, I will tell you. It's numbers division. Children, you all have studied division in class 3. In this video, we are going to see the following objectives. To divide a given number by another number in various ways: equal sharing, equal grouping, repeated subtraction, long division, short division. Now we are going to see topic equal sharing. Read the question along with me, children. Priya wants to celebrate her birthday along with her parents, Raghu and Usha. Her father bought a cake for her. She makes the cake into 18 pieces and wants to divide it equally along with her parents. Each of them got 6 pieces. We have 3 persons here: Priya, Raghu and Usha. We need to divide 18 pieces equally to everyone. So 18 divided by 3. What's the answer, students? Yes, it's 6. At that time, her friends Leela, Kala and Mala has come with their gifts. So she wants to share the cake with her friends also. Each of them got 3 pieces. Now we have 3 more persons. So 6 in total. Remember, students, total pieces of cake is 18. Now the total persons are 6. So 18 divided by 6, it's 3 now. After a few minutes, 3 of her father and mother's friends, Mary, Rahim and Ravi, has come for the party. Now she has decided to share the cake with them also. How much share would all get in total? Total pieces are 18. Total persons are 9. To divide 18 by 9, can you guess it? Yes, it is 2. Each gets 2 pieces of cake. Thus, 18 pieces of cake is shared equally among 9 members with 2 pieces each. Now, we are going to simplify the following problems. Look at the first question. 896 divided by 5. 896 is your dividend and the number 5 is your divisor. Take 8 in the dividend, which is divisible by 5. That is, 5 ones are 5. Hence, the quotient is 1 and the remainder is 3. Now drag the 9 to form 39. Here, 5 divides 39 7 times. That is, 5 sevens are 35. Place 35 below 39. Now the quotient is 7 and the remainder is 4. Drag 6 to form 46. Here 5 divides 46 9 times. That is, 5 nines are 45. Place 45 below 49. Hence the quotient is 9 and the remainder is 1. The answer quotient is 179 and the remainder is 1. Look at the second question. 686 divided by 7. Here 686 is dividend and 7 is divisor. Take 6 in the dividend, which is not divisible by 7. Hence, to combine the next digit in the dividend in the right, we have to divide 68 by 7. 7 divides 68 9 times. That is, 7 nines are 63. Place 63 below 68. hence the quotient is 9 and the remainder is 5. Now drag the 6 to form 56. 7 divides 56 8 times, that is 7 8s are 56. Hence the quotient is 8 and the remainder is 0. Therefore, the quotient is 98 and the remainder is 0. Third question. 7460 is divided by 7. Here 7460 is dividend and 7 is divisor. Take 7 in the dividend, which is divisible by 7, that is 7 ones are 7. Hence the quotient is 1 and the remainder is 0. Drag the 4 down, which is not divisible by 7, hence 7 zeros are 0. Place 0 below 4. Quotient is 0 and the remainder is 4. Now drag 6 to form 46. 7 divides 46 6 times, that is 7 6 are 42. Hence the quotient is 6 and the remainder is 4. Now drag 0 to form 40. 7 divides 40 5 times, that is 7 5s are 35. Place the 35 below 40. Quotient is 5 and the remainder is 5. The quotient is 1065 and the remainder is 5. Fourth question. 8645 is divided by 7. 8645 is dividend, 7 is divisor. Take 8 in the dividend, which is divisible by 7. That is 7 ones are 7. Hence quotient is 1, remainder is 1. Drag 6 to form 16. Here 7 divides 16 2 times, that is 7 2s are 14. Quotient is 2 and the remainder is 2. Now drag 4 to form 24. 7 divides 24 3 times, that is 7 3s are 21. Now the quotient is 3 and the remainder is also 3. Now drag 5 to form 35. 7 divides 35 5 times, that is 7 5s are 35. Here the quotient is 5 and the remainder is 0. Therefore, the quotient is 1235 and the remainder is 0. Children, look at the fifth question. Rahul has 192 toy cars. He put them equally in 6 boxes. How many toy cars will he put in each box? How many toy cars are left over? Total number of toy cars is equal to 192. Number of boxes are 6. Number of toy cars in each box is equal to 192 divided by 6. Now we are going to divide 192 by 6. And 192 is your dividend, 6 is divisor. Take 1 in the dividend, which is not divisible by 6. Hence, to combine the next digit in the dividend in the right, we have to divide 19 by 6. 6 divides 19 3 times, that is 6 3s are 18. Hence, the quotient is 3 and the remainder is 1. Now drag 2 to form 12. 6 divides 12 2 times, that is 6 2s are 12. Hence the quotient is 2 and the remainder is 0. Here the quotient is 32 and the remainder is 0. Number of toy cars in each box is equal to 32. Number of toy cars left over is 0. Look at the sixth question. A total of 1787 kg wheat has to be packed equally in 7 bags. What will be the weight of each bag? Quantity of wheat packed in 7 bags is equal to 1787 kg. Quantity of wheat packed in 1 bag is equal to 1787 divided by 7. Here 1787 is your dividend and 7 is divisor. Take 1 in the dividend which is not divisible by 7. Hence to combine the next digit in the dividend, we have to divide 17 by 7. 7 divides 17 two times. That is 7 2s are 14. Hence the quotient is 2 and the remainder is 3. Now drag 8 to form 38. Here 7 divides 38 5 times. That is 7 5s are 35. Hence the quotient is 5 and the remainder is 3. Now drag 7 to form 37. Here 7 divides 37 5 times, that is 7 5s are 35. Now the quotient is 5 and the remainder is 2. Hence the quotient is 255 and the remainder is 2. Quantity of wheat packed in one bag is equal to 255. Thank you children. Have a great day.